Alright, so this is my 2006 Yamaha R6, aka the Mighty Rocket, and we're about to replace this stock tailpipe with this new, let's see if we can get the focus there, Olson Performance. There we go. Olson Performance tailpipe, shorty tailpipe, and it should make quite a significant difference with the sound. So this is going to be a sound test of before and after putting on this pipe. Again, this is a 2006 Yamaha R6. So let's see what this sounds like. Alright, here we go. It's a little later, a little darker. We got the pipe on though. Finally got it there. Everything's all set, tightened up. This was the hardest part, was just not wanting to fit on right. And the clearance of this, I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty much nothing. You can see the slightest sliver of light in there. There. So it's a very tight fit. And now it's time to hear it. Here we go.